Hey guys, what's up? It's AppleCritics from AppleCritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play music while you record a video on your iPhone. Now this works on iOS 13 and it works on the newer devices and on the older devices. Now as long as you follow this tutorial, you'll be able to get this app and be able to stream music and record video. So the first thing that you're going to do is go into the App Store. Now once you go into the App Store, you're going to search for the following app. It's called While You Rec, and its main premise is to record while streaming music. So you can see the ratings right here, and you can see everything about the app, and you can scroll down. So what you're going to do is just simply install it, and then you're going to go ahead and hit open. So you can see the app has a very simple interface. It has the flip to front facing camera or just the rear camera, and then you can record, and then you have the flash on or flash off. So now what we can do is just go ahead and play a song. So you can just play this song right here. And now you can hear that the song is playing. So what we can do is just simply go into the While You Rec app. And now we can start recording. And I can still hear the music. And you can hear the music as well. Now we can just stop the video, and you can see that it says, would you like to add to your photos? And you can hit OK. So the While You Rec app is just very simple and just allows you to record your music while you are playing a song. And it's just very convenient. You're used to playing a song, and then you try and record a video, and then the song automatically will fade out and pause, and then the video will begin. But now it's back to normal, and you can just still play the music in the background, and it will register on the video as well. So that's really good. Now on the playback of the actual video, I can still hear the music in the background, so that is good. So you can see that the While You Rec app does work, and it works to its full capabilities. So thank you for watching this video on how to stream music and record a video. Please be sure to subscribe to this video. Please smash the like button down below so know you watched. Also be sure to check out other videos on my channel. Be sure to check out AppleCritics.com for latest Apple news, reviews, and more. Like my Facebook fan page at facebook.com/AppleCritics. Follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/AppleCritics, and Instagram at instagram.com/AppleCritics. Be sure to subscribe for more great content, and once again, thanks for watching.